Hey everybody, this is Mike from Super Nature Adventures. Really excited to announce the launch of our new series, Explore Your Own World. These are downloadables that you can get on your device, also print out at home, and a really exciting way to get out and explore a backyard, neighborhoods, at this time when we're all spending a lot of time at home. To find the more information, you can go to supernatureadventures.com, click on Explore Your Own World up at the top of the page, and then you can scroll down to find more information and click on the link to purchase it. $1 from every download purchased goes to support the Global Giving Coronavirus Relief Fund. And one of the coolest things about this first issue is kind of gathering everything you need in your Explorer's Toolkit, the things you want to sort of bring out with you as you explore your backyard or the world around you. This first issue also includes some really fun activities designed to get us looking more closely at the world around us, some fun drawing activities, and a way to get started by mapping out our own yard or neighborhood, which is a really fun thing to do. We really hope you enjoy this first issue. Stay tuned for more coming soon, and you can always follow us on our Facebook page and subscribe to our email list on our website, supernatureadventures.com. All right, stay creative, everybody.